Hello students, in this video we will identify the power sources of gas metal arc welding and identify the gas metal arc welding equipments and accessories. Let's first look at CO2 welding.
To state the power source of GMAW, to identify GMAW welding machine and accessories.
Introduction to CO2 welding. The best method for joining metal is fusion welding because in this process the welded joint will possess the same properties and strength as the base metal. Without a perfectly shielded arc and molten puddle, during welding the nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere will get absorbed by the molten metal. This will cause weak and porous weld. In shielded metal arc welding, the arc and the molten metal are protected or shielded by the gases produced by burning of the flux coated on the electrode. This type of shielding action can be achieved by passing an inert gas such as argon, helium, carbon dioxide through the welding torch or gun. The arc is produced between the base metal and a bare wire consumable electrode fed continuously through a torch. Let's now take a look at the GMAW and its accessories. 1. Constant voltage CV power source. 2. Power cord. 3. Cable to feeder. 4. Ground cable to workpiece. 5. Workpiece. 6. Welding torch. 7. Wire feeder. 8. Electrode wire. 9. Gas hose. 10. Shielding gas cylinder. 11. Gas regulator with flow meter. Principle of GMAW welding. An arc is struck between a continuously fed consumable bare wire electrode and the base metal. In this welding process, the arc, heated base metal and the molten filler metal are shielded by the flow of inert, non-inert gas passing through the welding torch. Accessories of GMAW. The MIG power source use main power and converts that main power into CV constant voltage, DC direct current power suitable for the MIG welding process. MIG welding power sources control voltage. This is done by either voltage stepped switches, wind handles or electronically. The cross-sectional area of the wire electrode and the wire speed control the amperage or current produced by the power source. That is, higher the wire speed for each wire size, higher the amperage the power source will produce. As the output of the MIG power source is DC, the terminals will be labeled plus and minus on the output side. The principles of electric circuit states that 70% of the heat is always on the plus side The lead connected to the positive side of the welder will carry 70% of the total energy heat output. This type of power source is used in SMAW and GTAW process. MIG/MAG torches. The MIG torch is connected to the wire feeder and its function is to deliver the wire electrode, shielding gas and the electrical welding current to the welding area. Let's look at the common things among various MIG torches. Liner. The liner parts of torch liner have a lifespan that is approximately 1 to 4 rolls of MIG wire, depending on the quality of the liner and wire. There are also different materials for different types of wire electrode. Example, steel or stainless liners for solid wires and Teflon liner for aluminium.
Gas diffuser.
Its function is to ensure that the shielding gas is delivered to the shielding nozzle. It is designed to make the gas come out as straight as possible and equally supplied around inside the gas shield nozzle. Diffusers can be made of different materials like copper, brass, or fiber. Some diffusers will also be the tip holder. Contact tip holder. It holds the welding tip in place. Contact tips. The contact tip/tube is the key to good welding. Most contact tips are made of copper alloy. Better the alloy, better the tip will pass current to the wire electrode, and less wear and tear the MIG tip will have. Synergic control. The complexity of setting welding parameters in conventional DC and pulsed GMAW promoted the development of equipment with single knob controls known as synergic control. These systems relied on selection of combinations of present welding, example, wire feed speed, mean current and voltage, by means of a single control. It is possible to store both the predetermined parameters and the control equations in the equipment and automatically adjust the output in response to a single input signal. This system is known as synergic control. The figure shows the same. Wire feeder. The wire feeder is the part of the MIG/MAG welding setup that controls the speed of the wire electrode and pushes this wire from the feeder through the welding torch to the workpiece. 2. Provides the path for welding current to be passed from the welding power source through the interconnecting lead to the feeder and then to the welding torch. 3. Provides gas flow control through a solenoid valve. The gas is fed down from the gas regulator to the weld area via the feeder and then the MIG welding torch, CO2 gas cylinder and regulator. The shielding gas required for GMAW/CO2 welding is supplied from a gas cylinder through an outlet valve and regulator. Gas flow meter. It is a unit which has graduations marked on the glass tube. A flow rate adjustment valve fixed to the flow meter controls the rate of flow of inert gas CO2 gas to the welding gun in liter per minute. Gas preheater for CO2 welding. Carbon dioxide is filled in cylinders in liquid form. That is, the CO2 at room temperature and high pressure condenses into liquid form. Therefore, while welding, the liquid CO2 has to be in gaseous form as they enter into the welding torch. CO2 liquid boils and expands into gas as it passes through the regulator. This causes the gas to cool. If moisture is present in the regulator inlet, it will condense and freeze in the regulator, causing blocking of the gas passage. Therefore, to avoid cooling, a gas heater is connected to the cylinder to increase the temperature of the gas leaving the cylinder. Hence, a uniform gas flow is maintained during welding. Let's quickly recap. The different parts of GMAW are: 1. Constant voltage CV power source. 2. Power cord. 3. Cable to feeder. 4. Ground cable to workpiece. 5. Workpiece. 6. Welding torch. 7. Wire feeder. 8. Electrode wire. 9. Gas hose. 10. Shielding gas cylinder. 11. Gas regulator with flow meter. I will see you in another interesting and exciting videos. Thank you and goodbye until then.